Hi, in this video, I'm going to get the file name from the absolute path. So now we have one file and I want to run SOP for printing absolute path. We know file has already method get name. It is written the file name. But in this video, I just want the file name from absolute path. I run this program. We can see here absolute path. This is the path customer.txt. Now I extracted customer.txt file name. Now for that I take a one string file name, file path using file path, absolute path. For that substring method it is useful. Now substring it is at the index file absolute path and last index means it will find out this indexes and this index find then we can plus one index then it is considered from this index. Now I add one SOP file name is file name. Now run this program and verify we can get the file name or not. Now we can see here customer.txt. So this way we can get the file name from the absolute path.